This is Brian, David, and Vivian, and their mother. And this is Eunice handing over 3 mattresses to these children. They are also very happy to receive. This is Joseph, and the mother also, they received 1 mattress for Joseph. Thank you very much. This is Sharon Okandi, and her mother, and Eunice is giving her 1 mattress. This is Nancy. Nancy is also receiving 1 mattress, and her mother is there. She's also very happy. They are taking to take the mattresses home today. This is Lois, and this is James, and their grandmother. They also are very happy to receive 2 mattresses, 1 for James and 1 for Lois. This is Christine and her mother. They also received a mattress for Christine, Eunice. Oh, there is this very small one here. This is Lillian, and she also received 1 mattress. She is the only one who was not standing with the rest when they were standing next to the mattresses. She's our very youngest in the program. This is Marcos and the grandmother here. They also received a mattress for Marcos, our next youngest after Lillian. This is Sharon. Sharon, her grandmother did not come, but we know she's busy somewhere, and she'll come. Though Sharon is here and has received 1 mattress from Eunice. So thank you very much. This is our 12 children who are sponsored, and they have all received a mattress from the program. We thank you, Wendy, for the mattresses. We thank you, Rebecca, for making it possible for us to receive these mattresses. Thank you.